y'all. That's Robert.
That's Julie.
And we're doing a grocery haul for 2 channels. And then we've got a Dollar Tree haul here in a little bit. So I'm going to flip around, give the camera to Robert, and...
Guess what? It's football season, and this is some of the munchies and stuff we got for the football for Sunday.
Yeah, we're doing hamburgers on the grill.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm sorry. He's doing hamburgers on the grill. I'm taking it easy and cutting up vegetables.
Oh. Okay. Buttons pushed.
Okay, so what we spent was right at... Oh, I forgot the...
The what? Oh. This goes real well with our hamburger meat.
Okay, so first off, I had to buy fabric softener and laundry detergent. Now this Tandem is just like the Gain. It smells just like the Gain and it cleans just like the Gain. But I like it when it's in a bind.
So what do you gain?
I don't know. I don't know what I gain.
Okay.
Maybe clean clothes?
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm also building up our pantry because winter's coming up and hard months, hard times, and it's supposed to be a really, really cold winter this year. So what I got was a whole chicken because I'm going to do a roasted chicken in my clay pot. Hamburgers for today, and I can split these and have another meal from these. I got several cans of ranch style Western beans. These are just like the ranch style beans you get at Walmart. They're pretty close. I got my sweetener. I got tomato sauce. I got 4 cans of that. I got my salami. I got Mr. I Love Chocolate is my first favorite food.
It's the fifth food group.
Oh, is it? Okay. We got hamburger buns. I got bread for his sandwiches this week. I got me some cheese sticks. I got corn chips, potato chips, and cheese curls for our
football
and our hamburgers because I'm not fixing anything else. I'm not heating the kitchen up because I got to bake a whole bunch of muffins tonight. So they'll have breakfast. So I'm not cooking until later this evening when it cools off because it's like, what, 90? So anyway, that's our grocery haul, our small grocery haul, and our Dollar Tree haul is coming up next. So thank you for watching our channel. That's Robert.
That's Julie. And guess what?
We don't care.
We don't care, but it's our
really
thing,
good.
so, you know.
Oh, my hair looks awful.
What did my hair do? Look at my hat. I got a hat here. Oh, that's something.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Anyway, that's what happens in Texas. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
See you, bye.